Hi guys, welcome to our channel VJ Spikes. Today's topic is on how to be self-confident to lead a successful life. Self-confidence is an attitude about your skills and abilities. It means you accept and trust yourself and have a sense of control in your life. You know your strengths and weakness well and have a positive view of yourself. You set realistic expectations and goals, communicate assertively, and can handle criticism. On the other hand, low self confidence might make you feel full of self doubt, be passive or submissive, or have a difficulty trusting others. You may feel inferior, unloved, or be sensitive to criticism. Feeling confident in yourself might depend on the situation. For instance, you can feel very confident in some areas, such as academics, but lack confidence in others, like relationships. Having high or low self confidence is rarely related to your actual abilities and mostly based on your perceptions. Perceptions are the way you think about yourself, and these thoughts can be flawed. Low self-confidence might stem from different experience, such as growing up in an unsupportive or critical environment, being separated from your friends or family for the first time, judging yourself too harshly, or being afraid of failure. People with low self-confidence often have errors in their thinking. How to boost your self-confidence? Here are some of the proven methods to enhance your self-confidence. So let's get started. Number one, the drive to start things. Confident people start things. They are not shy about striking out on a new idea even when those around them are still pondering it. Number two, the ability to stand up for once. Confidence allows you to stand up for yourself in a fair and consistent manner. Otherwise, you may find yourself unheard or unfairly treated. Number three, the ability to say no. Confident people have the ability to say no wherever appropriate. They do not take an unnecessary or inappropriate work or obligations. Number four, the ability to say yes. And at the same time, confident individuals say yes to opportunity. They do not miss new options because they are shy. I have seen individuals pass up opportunities, even promotions, because they don't think they are worthy. Number five, confidence overcomes fear. Lack of confidence can lead to paralysis from fear, fear of failure, fear of what others think, fear of the unknown. To succeed, you need the confidence to face and overcome your fears. Number six, believe in themselves. Self confidence means believing in yourself. Henry Ford once said, whether you think you can or you think you can't, you are right. He was right. Number seven, set the bar high enough. Confident individuals set the bar high and aim high. Lack of confidence leads to weak goals, setting the bar too low and mediocre results. Number eight, stretch your limits. Confidence lets you know limits and test them. By stretching your limits, you increase them. You are stronger than you think. Number nine, confidence asks questions. Confidence allows you to ask questions even when others are silent. Confidence even lets you ask for the job. Number 10. Believe in winning. Confident people believe in success, and more importantly, they believe in their ability to succeed. Number 11. Increase your competence. How do you feel more competent? By becoming more competent. And how do you do that? By studying and practicing. Just do small bits at a time. If you want to be more competent writer, for example, don't try to tackle the entire profession of writing all at once. Just begin to write more. Journal, blogs, write short stories, do some freelance writing. The more you write, the better you will be. Number 12. Set a small goal and achieve it. People often make the mistake of shooting for the moon. When they fail, they get discouraged. Instead, shoot for something much more achievable. Set a goal you know you can achieve and then achieve it. You will feel good about that. Now set another small goal and achieve that. The more you achieve small goals, the better you will be at it. Hope you got some insights on how to boost your confidence in order to lead a successful life. Until next time, please share, like, and subscribe to our channel as it motivates us to make more such videos. Also, follow us on Telegram where we share latest updates on personal finance, corporate culture, and work from home techniques. Thank you.